20 Types of Popular Bulbine Pictorial Guide. Bulbine is a genus of succulent plants that are native to southern Africa. These plants are known for their striking foliage and bright, snazzy flowers that vary in color from yellow to orange. These plants are known for their striking foliage and bright, snazzy flowers that vary in color from yellow to orange. Bulbine plants are exceptionally durable and adaptable. Bulbine frutescens. Bulbine frutescens is a succulent plant species belonging to South Africa that is frequently utilized as an ornamental garden plant for its bright yellow or orange flowers and its ability to grow in dry conditions. Bulbine abyssinica. Bulbine abyssinica is a succulent plant type that is native to Ethiopia and other parts of East Africa. It is characterized by its fleshy leaves that grow in a rosette pattern and its high inflorescence, which bears little yellow flowers. Bulbine glauca. Bulbine glauca is a succulent plant species native to South Africa. It has long, slender leaves that form rosettes and produce tall spikes of yellow flowers in the spring and summer. Bulbine capitata. Bulbine capitata is a small, herbaceous perennial plant native to South Africa. It typically grows up to 10 to 15 centimeters in height and produces fleshy leaves and bright yellow flowers that bloom in late winter to early spring. Bulbine annua. Bulbine annua is a plant species that belongs to the family Asphodelaceae. It is an annual herb that can grow up to 50 centimeters in height and produces small yellow flowers. Bulbine treveneri. Bulbine treveneri is a succulent plant species native to South Africa. It has fleshy, green leaves and produces tall spikes of bright yellow flowers in the spring and summer. Bulbine margarethae. Bulbine margarethae is a succulent plant species native to South Africa. It forms clusters of small, elongated leaves that are light green in color and have a slightly translucent appearance. Bulbine latifolia. Bulbine latifolia is a species of perennial herb native to South Africa. It belongs to the Asphodelaceae family and is commonly known as the broad-leaved bulbine or roywordle. Bulbine aloides. Bulbine aloides is a species of succulent plant native to South Africa. It is characterized by its long, thin leaves that grow in a rosette pattern and its tall stalks of yellow or orange flowers that bloom in the spring and summer. Bulbine narcissifolia. Bulbine narcissifolia is a plant species belonging to the Asphodelaceae family. The plant features attractive bright green leaves that grow in a rosette formation and produces clusters of delicate yellow flowers on long, thin stems in the spring and summer. There are roughly 80 various species of bulbine, each with its own distinct attributes and growing requirements. Bulbine plants are an exceptional option for garden enthusiasts searching for a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant, and pollinator-friendly addition to their garden. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.